See, High Court has taken this suo motu contempt proceedings against the police officers who pose themselves before the accused, take photographs, and those photographs are published in the newspaper. In fact, there is a direction or a judgment of the High Court long time back, about 3 or 4 years back, where the High Court has completely banned this type of publications of newspaper photographs showing the accused and the police officer standing and posing. That has been banned by the High Court. Despite this, it appears that several photographs are published in the newspaper, and the recent one is of one lady who was supposed to be a person who left a child, I think, wherever it is. But that is, I think, the reason why the High Court has taken cognizance of it, and now the High Court has issued notices to certain police officers who are actually involved in these photographs and who are seen to be involved, or rather seen posing themselves in this photograph. So High Court has taken a serious note of it, and the notice has been issued, contempt notice has been issued to these particular officers, and they'll have to face the contempt proceedings.